How to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on Do Not Disturb. Now here you can see the option schedules. Now click on it. If you turn on your schedule do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your schedule do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.